Welcome to episode 20 of Model Car Memories. I want to thank all the new subscribers for joining, especially all the channels. Hopefully, if you've liked my channel, I've liked yours back. If I hadn't, send me a quick message or something like that, and I'll reciprocate the like there. Probably going to do a two-part video, maybe a three-part video. Okay, got this 57 Chevy 3-in-1 kit from AMT, but it's been partially made. So I've got the body here, got the interior already put in, got the chassis here, needs a little bit of work to it. On this, on a 3-in-1 kit, looks like my stepdad, he went with the big block 409 blown on it. Let's see, let's set this out of the way here, because we have a lot of stuff in here. So we got horns and batteries. This right here looks like some extra stuff that wasn't used. The fancy headlights for the front. Oh, got a little miniature car here. Wonder if that was for a trophy or something. So extra wheel covers. Couple more chrome parts here. That looks like maybe a tack for the front. Okay, some extra parts. One thing, I did not find the instruction sheet for this. But look at here, it looks like a Model T top. So, all right, this is one of the alternate front ends for the styling kit. Do not know what this goes to, because unless you chop the top on it, and that's a alternate for chopping the top. I'm not sure. Got another piece. That looks like trash. Going away. Another piece of part there. All right, got a little straight 4 engine there. So I don't know what that goes to. It does not go to the 57 Chevy. Looks like an engine cradle or something. Must be an alternate. No, I don't know if it's an alternate rear end or not for that. Let's see here. Something else that does not go with this kit. All right, got an intake here for something else. That goes to something else. All right, there's another oddball rear end for something. Let's see. Another black back glass. There's another engine block. How it compares to this one. A little bit smaller. That's another one that was from an odd kit. All right, if I can empty this out here. All right, looks like I'm gonna have to sort through this and put some stuff in the spare parts bin. Some clear parts. Go to something. There's a piece of felt. All right, there's the hood for our 57. Oh, what is this? Little alligator or something like that? Or a rat? Or something? Some little animal. Interesting. Okay. Ooh. I wonder if that's the back glass to go to that Corvette or not. Let me set it aside. Okay. Oh, there's another Model T part. There's a trophy base. Some sandpaper. All right, I think this goes to the 57. Yep. There's our, oh, putting it on upside down. Yep, there's our back bumper to the 57. So let's set that aside. There's a roll bar. Nope. Old razor blade. Don't want to get that. Some flocking or some stuff for a package tray area. That looks like that goes to that mystery part that I had on another video. Interesting. That's for another car. Custom grill. There's the matching fender. All right. Headlight bucket. Intake manifold. Okay, there's a 1959 bumper. Is that something? A piece of plastic. Here's some. All right, so for a seat. All right, that's trash. Another thing that might have been for the one of them custom things for the Corvair. Looks small enough for it. That's another piece of trash. Okay, so keep spreading it out here. All right, aha. Another tail light for the 57. Okay, I think that's a. Okay, that's not broken. That is a custom steering wheel. Whoa! Did I lose it? It looks like it's broken, but the chrome goes all the way around, so it is a custom steering wheel. There's some mufflers. Like I said, my stepdad painted everything in the exhaust. He painted it red. Okay, let's see if this has the exhaust underneath it. Okay, all right, so we got the exhaust. Oh wow, chrome suspension and everything on there. This is loose here, so I'm gonna have to glue that back into place. The drive shaft's coming out. So this is kind of a repair, kind of a finish to build thing. So, oh, there's another. He almost looks like a little paratrooper or something like that. The way it's saying, yep, got a pack on the back. How'd that get mixed in there? All right, so it looks like I'm gonna have to go through all this and sort it out, put them in the spare bin, along with everything else. But I'm gonna work on this model some. They use an aerial. Right, those come in short supply sometimes. So here's some 57 license tags here. So set that aside. There's the other part of the trophy base. There. Okay, valve covers, headlight buckets, air cleaner. Another, oh, what's that? I don't know if that's, okay, that goes with the 57 Chevy, but don't know if he's kind of went without it for the custom. So this is a little bit of a custom job here. And then do not know what this is. I don't know if y'all fair. It looks like a little alien head or something like that. I don't know if it's a gear shift or goes on something else. Okay. Carburetors, intakes, more wheel covers. Okay, All right, so I'm gonna wrap this up on here. This part 1 on this. See a lot of crazy spare parts here and stuff. So, but I'm gonna work on the 57, trying to put it back together, clean it up. It's been in the box the whole time, so it's stayed clean. There's not really a lot of dust on it. But I'll see what I can do to glue everything back, put it together, and see where I stand on that. I did notice, I think the sides, thing here is just painted white. They don't have the inserts that go there on it. I haven't seen those, or maybe it was a decal and I can't find the decal sheet on it. So stay tuned. I'll try to get the next one out as soon as possible, so there won't be a big delay between the two episodes of putting this 57 custom back together. Thanks for watching.